For today's video, we'll need glue, scissors, markers, specifically red and black, and some cardboard. Today we're going to use cardboard from cereal boxes. First, we're going to begin with our cardboard. You can start with a pencil, but I'm going to start with a marker so you can see what I'm doing. We have to draw the body of the ladybug first, so it can be a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we're gonna draw a circle, and depending how big the body is will kind of depend how big your ladybug is. Then we're gonna cut it out. Once we have the body, you're gonna draw a Pac-Man-like shape. This is gonna be where your wings are. You're gonna start with like a V, like a mountain or an upside down V, and then you're gonna connect these over. You want to make sure it's at least the size of this. So this one is a little bit small. You want to make sure it's bigger than your body, so you want to use your body and trace it a little bit over. And then we're going to make this into a Pac-Man kind of shape. So you're going to draw a V, and these are going to be the wings for the ladybug. If you want, now is where you can draw your line, or you can wait till the end. Then we're going to grab our black marker, and we're going to draw our lines here, and this is what we have to color in black. This is the body of our ladybug. You can overlap a little bit, and if you need a better marker like I do, go ahead and grab one. You want this part to be nice and dark black. Now you want to get your red marker and color it in. You want to color in your wings. Next, you want to get your black marker and start giving yourself some polka dots. However many you'd like and wherever you want them is up to you. You don't just want to go like this dot quickly, because then they won't be very thick. You want to think about it a little bit and put your dots in some nice places. Next, you're going to get your glue and you're going to glue your wings on. As our ladybug dries, we're going to give it a head. You're going to cut your cardboard and put one underneath like this. Then you're going to be able to draw your ladybug's head and see how big it is before you cut it. I think that's a good size. We're going to make it a little bit bigger so that way we have somewhere to glue it on. Then we're going to color it in. And now we're gonna let our ladybug dry.